Good evening to Madam Tan. My name is Najwa. So me and my group are going to present our project for business intelligence. So, so for the introduction of the systems, nowadays, understanding website traffic data is really important to optimize our online platforms. Web analytics provide important insights or information of user behavior, content popularity, and traffic sources. So we aim to utilize Power BI to create a dashboard consisting of data visualizations from web analytics dataset. We also aim to find patterns that can be strategic weapon for website enhancement. As for the problem statement, many organizations don't know how to utilize tools or how to analyze their website traffic. This causes them to struggle to exploit their website to the full potential. By manually analyzing the website, we cannot get a clear analysis of user behavior, content performance, and the impact of referral source. Without an appropriate tool or approach to analyze and visualize this data, decision making in optimizing user engagement, identifying successful and effective strategy is proven difficult. So as for the objective, we are going to develop a Power BI dashboard that effectively analyzes this website traffic data. This dashboard will also provide a user-friendly interface to explore user sessions, referral sources, and user engagement metrics. The goal is to empower organizations to help them with useful information, enabling them to strategically invest in effective referral sources and cater their content to suit particular groups of customers, making users more engaged in their website. So that's all for my part. I'm going to pass to Hazlysha. Thank you.
So hi, good evening. My name is Hazlysha Zuqrin. So I'm gonna explain about data description. So data description, we want to analyze user and behavior interaction using a website. So this is a link of the data that we get. So here is an example for we take the data website analytics. So we move to 3.0 is process of report Power BI. So firstly, we open the Power BI here. Okay, and then we go to the get data. And we can see here as a workbook. And then so this is the data that I get. So total it has 8 data. So we look one by one. So we have done a lot the old data. So we want to do the data cleaning. So I want to data cleaning for column session by traffic source. So we go to the session by traffic source here, and we want to remove the duplicate data. So here we can see for some of page have a duplicate column. So we remove. So we can remove with a right click, and we can see a delete here. Okay, and then for the revenue. So and then we can see the duplicate data or column has been done. So now we go into the data transform. So we go into data transform that we want to rename the column or change the data type. So first we go to the revenue traffic. You can see here sum of amount, and it have a percentage, so we can change the percentage with edit query, and then we go into the transform. Go to the transform, and we can see here data type decimal, so we change to the percentage. Yeah, so we done here, and then we go to the so we check one by one here. And so the month here, we want to rename the column to be the month. So we can right click and we can see rename here. So okay, and then we see to the another. So we done with the data transform and data cleaning. So I will pass another part to my team members is Aisya.
Hi, my name is Aisya. Today I'm going to continue for the next question, which is the new column. I'm going to create a new column in the table revenue by traffic source. So in the Power BI, I click on the revenue by traffic source. Then I click the new column. So next, I'm gonna copy the DEX formula. So new column. So some revenue total for the column sum revenue total, I click commit. It will show the column sum revenue total after I input the formula, DEX formula. So it will show a new column sum revenue total. Question is simple calculation. So in this questions, I'm going to do a calculation to calculate percentage of total. So back to Power BI. I click the home new column. Then to calculate the calculate the percentage of total, I'm using the DEX formula, percentage of total, and commit. Then I change percentage of total. I change the data type to the percentage. So it will show the column of percentage of total. So for the next questions is create relationship. So this I'm going to create a relationship in the Power BI. I click the model view. Then I click the manage relationship. So I'm going to drag the table revenue by traffic source. I'm going to drag the revenue to table top 5 landing pages. Then from table revenue by traffic source, I take the data of traffic source and to drag to the table session by traffic source. Then when I click to manage relationship, it will show up the two relationship between two tables. So we show the in the model view show up the two relationship between two tables. So just that from me. Thank you.
For the data visualization part, we are going to start with the visitor count. So first, click card from visualizations and then drag some of pages from visitors table to fields. So right here, we go to call out value and then we change the value decimal places to 0 to round it off. And then we are going to rename. Okay, so go back to the visual part. So fields here, click the drop down, rename for this visual, rename it as visitors. Okay, so we're done for this part. And then we are going to add field map. So from here, go to table user distribution by country, drag country to location, users to legend. And then go to visual legend to change the position from top left to top right stack. So now it is on the right side of the map. And then we rename the title as users by country. Okay. So we center it and then we're done for the map part. So for landing pages part, we are going to use clustered bar chart. So here, drag landing page and revenue from top 5 landing pages by revenue table, and then drag it to y-axis and revenue to x-axis. So as you can see here, the revenue is count. So we are going to change it to average. So now our data is correct right here. So we rename the title into top landing pages. Okay, and center. Next part, bounce rate. We are going to use this gauge visualization. So click on it and then drag bounce rate from the table bounce rate, drag it to value. So now we're going to rename the title just like before. Rename it into bounce rate and then align it to center. So for the last part, sessions by traffic source, click on donut chart and then go to sessions by traffic sources, drag percentage to legend, oh, drag traffic source to legend, and then percentage on values. So right here, go to format, detail labels, label contents, change to data value. No, percent of total. I'm sorry. Okay, so we got the result. So now we rename the title into sessions by traffic source. So align it on the center. So now we're done. Just make it neat and then we publish it to our dashboard. So click my workspace and then publish. Okay, after we're done publishing, go to Power BI online, log into the same account that you logged into on the Power BI desktop. So click on your report. So now you have all of the visualization here. So pin all of them to a dashboard. So right here we have a project one dashboard. So pin it here. Same goes to all part. So pin this. Actually, visitors. Pin. So go to the dashboard and now you have this dashboard. So you can access this dashboard from your phone because it's on the cloud now. So that's all for my part. Thank you.